Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to configure your Remnant tool. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now, in order for this Remnant feature to for me to use it, I'm just going to add a quick few shapes, just 2 of them. And then what we want to do is, before we go to our cam, we want to go to the configuration. So I'm going to click here, and then we want to go to the micro joints, bridges, and remnants configuration tab. Let's do this so we can see nicely. And at the bottom here, you'll see we've got this option remnant. Then we've got start position on click. The first one is set to top, and the next one is set to left. So now if I please show you what that means, I'm just going to say OK, and then we go to cam and click on remnant or add update remnant. Now you'll see it gives us this little message here. I'll just zoom in for you guys. Now it says click on the sheet to add remnant. First line vertical yes, horizontal no. So that means if I click yes, it's our first line is going to be a vertical line. If I click vertical line, so from the top down. If I click no, then it's going to be our horizontal one, which comes from the horizontal. So let's try first vertical. I'm going to say yes. So now if I click somewhere on this canvas, it's going to show as a vertical line, and then our remnant will carry on. If I just go out of it, the reason why you have that option is, let's say your shape is right up here and you don't need a remnant there. So then if I go to our actual cam, add remnant, and if I say no for horizontal line, if I click here, it's going to cut right through our shape. So the actual remnant afterwards won't make much sense. So then that is where you would now want to go and click the, so we click yes. So now if I click here, our first line is going to come from the top down, and then we can adjust our remnant accordingly. Now, if I go to configuration, if I go out of cam, then if I go back to the setting, we've got a few settings we can set from the starting point. So the first one was top, so this was our vertical. So now we can say bottom. You can just set that one, or you can set both, it's up to you. So now if I go over here, left, so this was our horizontal line, originally came from the left. Now I can say from the right. So I'm going to say apply, OK. And then what I do now is, if I go to cam and use this tool, we have the same option but on the opposite. So if I go yes for a vertical line, now I'll be starting from the bottom. So if I click here, you can see it comes up from the bottom. So this will like from top down, it's not always that obvious, but from left and right it makes more sense, because if I've got all my shapes on the side, I might want to start my remnant from that point. So now I can say remnant, say no, and now it's going to start from the right. So I can make a remnant from that direction. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the configuration. So let's just have a look again. So we've got here the starting point, which will be default will be top, not bottom, and the default will be left and not right. So now you can start everything from this side, because your main origin for the cam tends to be on the bottom left. But yeah, otherwise that is it on adjusting your remnant. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.